Hey guys, welcome back. Just doing a quick little run through of my collection, kind of reorganized a little bit, and just thought I'd show you the status of where I'm at right now. So let's go in and give you a look at each one individually. So this is nothing really that new. It's the DX13 and T1000 setup. Like the way this looks. It's a really nice presentational T2 shelf. I think it looks really cool. DX13 is still a top shelf figure. T1000 still holds up till today. Really sharp figure. There's the fully battle damaged look for the T800. Alright, so this is the new MMS 238 Police Shootout version. Still waiting to get a second one to recreate the full tanker truck look, but that is coming. Really happy with this release. Looks awesome. That's Arnold. And for now I got him posed with the Tech Nor. Another classic awesome figure. Now into my Walking Dead shelf. Show you what that looks like. It's the 3A zombie pets. Super detailed. I think they make for an excellent representation for the Walking Dead. Just nasty looking. Really wish they'd get on with making some more of these figures. And then the season 4 exclusive Blu-ray diorama set, the Tree Zombie. Some DC villains. Joker and Bane, both awesome figures. They made so many versions of this head sculpt. I think they did a pretty good job though with the DX11 here. It's a pretty close sculpt and suit, and they just nailed it. Never really needed anything else after the DX11. It suited all my needs. That was the full package. I guess since I'm down here, I'll go ahead and start from down here on this side. The video game shelf. That's a Bashed Leon on the right. Naked Snake, and then Chris Redfield. Really like this Snake figure. It's so well done. It's still available at a lot of places too. It's one of those figures that just for some reason didn't sell out. I don't know why. I know the articulation's hindered quite a bit from the outfit, but you just stand him there. It's pretty much an out of the box pose, and it looks awesome. That's all he needs to do. The Man of Steel Another really awesome figure. I took a look at the Sideshow PF of this guy. What a catastrophe. Made out of PVC and paintwork on the face and everything. It's just weird. This one was not a disappointment, that's for sure. Look at that sculpt. I will say the suit on the PF does look a little better. The G.I. Joe shelf. All of these figures, you know, the movie might have not been fantastic, but the figures definitely turned out great. I don't have any complaints about any of these guys. Figure of the year, RoboCop, for me. This thing is truly a masterpiece. Judge Dredd. Another really nice kind of oddball figure that came out this year. Really pleased with the quality of that. Nice to have a arts figure in the collection. Couple of awesome Marvel figures. The really well done Thor. He did a fantastic job on this one. And the Amazing Spider-Man. This is phenomenal. What a great figure. Pretty much the only Spider-Man figure you'll need. This definitely was a year of die-cast. The Mark 42. Really spectacular figure. The Iron Patriot. Another awesome release. Let's take that off. Did a real nice job with that. My Captain America display. Right now I got the Golden Age cap posed with the Red Skull. And lastly, Batman shelf. Bashed bank robber Joker. DX12. And a bashed Bruce Wayne. So that's it at the moment. Just wanted to give you guys a look into where part of the collection is in, the state it's in, new setup, show you some of the new pickups. And that's it, guys. I'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.